Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Fanttik X9 Ultra 3-in-1 inflator. So inside, you get the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and the air inflator. So briefly going over some specs, the main feature is this can inflate tires 6 times faster inflation compared to the other Fanttik inflators. It's suitable for pickup trucks, cars, max pressure of 150 psi, measurements of psi, kPa, and bar, 92.5 watt-hour battery capacity, has an LED light, can act as a power bank. You have the charging port of USB-A out and USB-C in and out, and has a weight of 8.81 pounds. Looking at the air inflator, it has some weight to it. The back, you have a nice handle. And then on the rear here, you can see the different ports. You have a USB-A, so if you want to use it as a charge out feature for your devices, like a power bank. And then you also have your USB-C input and output to charge the inflator. On the front here, you have LED lights. I'll go through the feature in a second, but it has a white, yellow, and also has an SOS feature. And then the top, you have the controls and a nice large display. Looking at the bottom, you have your air hose here. This is a 42-inch length air hose, and then you also have a storage for your different accessories. To power up the inflator, you have a power button in the middle here. So just hold it down for a few seconds. You can see the nice bright display. You have the plus and minus button to increase your pressure setting. And then you also have a button here on the side for the memory function. So if you want to set different inflation memory, you have 4 of them. And then you also have the light button here, which will activate the front light. And then to change the different measurements, right now it's on PSI, just press the button on the right here. Like so. Now it's on kPa, bar, and back to PSI. And then the range is anywhere from 3 to 150 psi. So looking at the front, you have a light. To activate that, you have the left button on the top. So pressing the button once will activate the yellow light. Pressing it again, it's a white light. And then you have an SOS. All right, now we'll just measure how loud it is. I have a decibel meter on the right here. So I'll turn on the inflator. So it looks like it's about 95.1. So I have the inflator hooked up to this spare tire. So right now it's reading 43.5 psi. This is supposed to be inflated to 60 psi. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and increase the target here to 60 psi. All right, and then just to start it, you just press the power button. So now we're up to 48. It's filling it up very fast here. All right, it hit the target 60 psi and then it stopped. Very impressive. That was very quick. Usually with a lot of the tire inflators that I tested, it's pretty slow going, but this one, it went from 43 to 60 in no time. So there you have it. This is the Fanttik X9 Ultra. Very impressive air inflator with the light feature as well as the charge out feature to use as a power bank. Again, this is probably one of the fastest that I've tested as far as the inflation. We went from 43 to 60 psi in no time. I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.